In case you're interested in creating your own DTDs, I'll take a closer look at the DTD here in guests.dtd.xml. You start off with a doc type element. A doc type element indicates that you want to create a DTD, and you list the document element here. This is the document element for creating a DTD. This is the element that corresponds to the document element down there. So say doc type, and that's the name of the document element, which is in this case is events. You get a square bracket, and then you can declare the various elements like this. And you say with an exclamation point element, declare the events element, which can contain multiple event elements. And so you declare multiple event elements like this. You say event star. The star means 0 or more. That means 0 or more, 0 or any number, any positive number or 0. Number of event elements can be inside the events element, and the event elements in turn are declared to contain an event title element, a event number element, a subject element, a date element, and any number of people elements. In sequence, the sequence must be maintained. And then you declare the contents of the event title element. That's the event title element, which is the first child element of the event element, and that's declared to contain text data, which is use a sharp PC data. That's parsed character data in XML. So PC data means that you give the event title the model, it's called, of text. So you're saying that the event title element must contain text. The event number element must also contain text. And same with the subject, date, first name, last name elements. And the people element, which is down here, can contain any number of person elements. As you see there in this case, this example, there are 3 person elements. And each person element in turn must contain a first name and a last name element, like that. First name and last name. And the event element also contains a attribute named type, as you see here. And so you say you can declare attributes with the @list element, the exclamation point @list, and you then give the @list element, you list the name of the element you're declaring attributes for, and then you declare the type attribute there. C data means character data. Implied means that the attribute is optional, can be used or not. You also declare for the each person attribute an attendance, each person element, an attendance attribute, which is also character data and is also implied, which means that it's optional. So if you're interested, there is how to create a DTD for the guests.xml document, all the way through all the elements and all the attributes, and it's a useful thing to be able to validate XML data that comes down from the server to check whether or not it's in the appropriate form and written correctly, and DTD is one way of doing that. So that's DTD for the guests.xml document.